Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can use WhatsApp on your smart TV. If you don't have a WhatsApp application on your smart TV, we have a video for that how you can download and install a WhatsApp application on your smart TV. You will find the link of that video in the description. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to the apps on your smart TV, and here these are all the available apps that as you can see, but you cannot find WhatsApp here. I already downloaded WhatsApp application, but you cannot see it in the list. So you need to download one more application which is called a TV Launcher. And once you download it and install that application, you need to tap on that one. And here you will find WhatsApp. So once you find WhatsApp, just tap on WhatsApp and it will open. You can select the language, and once you selected the language, you need to tap on agree and continue. So guys, once you tap on agree and continue, link is a companion device. So all you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp on your device. Once you come to the WhatsApp, you need to just scan that code, and once you tap on the three dot lines here, and then you need to tap on link a device. So from here you need to tap on link a device. It will ask you user mobile data. It asks me to enter the pattern. So once everything is done, you need to just scan that QR code which you can see on the screen. And now as you can see, I'm logging in to my WhatsApp account. It will take some time loading your chats. It depends on your internet speed as well. So guys, there you have it. As you can see, all my chats can be seen here. You can see the menu right at the bottom as well here, and you can see the chats, and now you can even call on WhatsApp using your WhatsApp on your smart TV. So guys, this is how you can do it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.